Changing your email on Airtel is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your Airtel account. Visit the Airtel website or open the Airtel app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the menu or settings icon. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the option for email preferences or contact information. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new email, click on the Save or Update button. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the change, so check your inbox. By following these steps, you can successfully change your email address on Airtel. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Airtel customer support for assistance.